Hey everyone, Latrell here, and today I wanted to show you a hands-on experience of two writing apps that I use. One is a tool I constantly use, and the other is one I'm getting into. So here they are. Okay, so first we are going to start with Prowriting Aid. Now, I would say most, probably ambitious, but most authors know what Prowriting Aid is. It's basically a editing tool that helps you along your journey. I know some people use it to edit their short stories completely instead of having a regular editor. Prowriting Aid allows you to change the style of what you're writing so that it kind of matches up or shows recommendations for the genre you're writing in. So I'm writing in, I guess you could say thriller, but it's really like paranormal romance thrillers. As you can see on the side, it shows you a list of what it is measuring as far as the industry standards. It shows you what your grammar is, style score, sentence length, readability score, sentence variety, etc. When it opens up to grammar and spelling, it just basically shows you all of your errors and everything that you're missing as far as that category. And what you do is you can click on it and then hit the arrow, and it'll bring you it'll highlight exactly what they're talking about, and you have that option to change it. I find that sometimes it can be hit or miss with the commas. Sometimes I don't want to use a comma right before I'm saying someone's name, but they'll always recommend to use a comma before that. The next category I'm going to click on is glue index, and the glue index is basically words that you use to put a sentence together. So it's like and, the, there, where. It gives you a score of depending on how many words you have and the words that are considered glue words in the sentence. It's either semi-sticky or it's sticky. And semi-sticky is basically anything under, I believe, 60%, and anything above 60% is considered a sticky sentence, meaning it has more glue words. And the last one I'm going to show is the sentence length check, and this is just basically telling you every sentence and how many words are in every sentence. If I wanted to go in and look at a sentence and change the word amount, add more, take away some, I can do that. And all I have to do, like I said, is just click on the number where it has the green bar. My con with Prowriting Aid is that it doesn't allow for indentation. So usually I'll start off on Prowriting Aid and then I'll transfer everything over to Word because I like how the interface of the writing is done. And the good thing about Prowriting Aid, they actually have a plugin for Word, so I can also use it on there. The bad thing is they don't exactly sync up. So right here you might see readability grade 4, but on Word it'll say 5. So that's the only con that I've seen, and I think that happened recently because it didn't used to be that way. Next we have Plottr, and Plottr is exactly how it sounds. It is for plotting, which is something I really am not. I am a pantser. I usually have my characters, the overall story, and then I just start writing. Plotting is for people who are more organized, and I'm trying to get into plotting. And yeah, I kind of plotted some for the Coreyville series, just basically outlining the characters, which I'm going to show right here. So here I am showing how I gathered all my characters together, gathered their information together. What Plottr allows you to do is to, like I said, I'm working on a series, so it allows you to put those characters into categories. So you can separate it by what books they're in. You can add tags. Are they protagonists? Are they human? Like in these, I also added like cities, homes, places, work. And you can fill out all this information about the characters. I actually already did this. I'll show you towards the end of the video. I just want to show you what you can do with Plottr. See, it's a lot of information. Like I said, for those who are very, very, very organized. I'm getting there, but I'm not quite there yet. Here you can choose a template of what you want to add to that character or to the story. I'm using the birth order template and also the goals and motivation template, the character bio, and a snowflake method. I separated the characters by main and supporting, and then as you can see, it's highlighted Coreyville book, so you see all the supporting characters from that book and then the main characters from that book as well. One thing I noticed here that I wanted to point out is, as you can see, when I click on series, it had all the information filled out, but when I click on the actual one of the books, that information is not there, meaning it did not transfer. So you have to write all that over again. And this is just showing the places tab and then the tags, so you can do main places, secondary places. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, these are just a few of the things that I use. I use some other stuff, but I'm still trying to get used to it. And if you're an author, let me know what you use, because I'm really curious. I know there's so many things out there, so just let me know in the comments. Thanks. Bye.